Have you ever wondered how a house is built from the ground up? Today, we will follow every step and see how a simple piece of land turns into a cozy home.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Tales of Giants.
The dream begins with a family imagining their perfect home. They talk about where the kitchen will go, how big the windows should be, and what color the walls might be. Now the builders arrive. There is an architect who designs, an engineer who plans, and strong builders who bring it all to life. Everyone wears bright helmets and smiles, ready to work. The architect gets to work drawing the plan. With pencils, rulers, and a computer, they make detailed designs showing every room, window, and door. These plans are like the house's roadmap. Before building starts, everyone gathers their tools and safety gear. Builders put on helmets, gloves, and bright vests. They check their trucks, bulldozers, and diggers to make sure everything is ready to go. Before they can begin, the builders need permission from the city. They visit the office to show the plans and get building permits. Once approved, the project can start safely and legally. The big day begins. The crew stands on an empty lot. It is just dirt and grass now. But soon it will be a home full of memories. Everyone takes a deep breath before starting the first step. Surveyors arrive with special tools to measure the land. They use tripods and lasers to mark where each corner of the house will go. Everything must be exactly right. It is time to clear the land. Bulldozers push away dirt and rocks, and loaders carry off branches and roots. Soon, the space is clean and ready for the next step. Next, the workers level the ground. Big machines roll back and forth, flattening the soil so it is smooth and even. This makes sure the house will stand strong and straight. The builders mark the corners where the house will stand. Wooden stakes and strings form straight lines showing where the walls and rooms will be built. The outline of the home is starting to appear. Now the big digging begins. Excavators scoop deep trenches in the ground for the foundation. The earth smells fresh as the machines dig and dump soil into piles. To make the foundation strong, the builders add long steel bars called rebar. These metal rods make the concrete stronger and keep the base from cracking. Cement mixers arrive and pour thick, wet concrete into the trenches. The builders spread and smooth it until it is even. The base of the house is starting to form. The builders shape the concrete to create strong footings, the parts that hold up the walls and floors. It must be perfect, because everything will sit on top of this base. Now the crew must wait. The concrete needs time to dry and harden. Everyone checks the weather and makes sure nothing disturbs the base as it gets stronger each day. Inspectors arrive to check the foundation. They measure, tap, and test to make sure it is safe, level, and strong enough to hold the whole house. Once approved, the builders can move to the next step. The fun part begins as carpenters start building the frame. They lift tall wooden beams and nail them together. The skeleton of the house is rising. The walls go up one by one. The rooms take shape as builders attach large wooden panels. Everyone can now see where the kitchen, bedrooms, and living room will be. Cranes lift heavy beams high into the air to create the second floor. Workers stand ready to guide each piece into place. The house is growing taller every day. Do you know what gives a house its hat? The roof frame! Builders lift long wooden boards and shape them into big triangles that will hold the roof strong and high. Soon, the house will have its very own top. The sound of hammers fills the air. Tap, tap, tap! Builders measure, nail, and double. Check their work. Every board must fit perfectly, so the house stands strong for years to come. Building a house takes teamwork. The builders lift heavy beams together. The carpenters saw the wood, and the foreman checks the plans. Everyone helps everyone. Together, they make something amazing. The house begins to look solid as workers cover the frame with large wooden boards called sheathing. These panels make the walls strong and ready for the next layers. Next, come the roof boards. Roofers climb carefully and nail long planks across the top. They work high up, balancing safely, making sure the roof is firm and ready for shingles later. Now it is time to wrap the house in a special white layer. This house wrap protects it from wind and rain. It is like giving the house a warm, waterproof coat before the outside walls go on. Windows and doors go in next. The house can finally see and breathe. Sunlight streams through the new glass, and the rooms start to feel bright and alive. Carpenters build the stairs that connect the floors. Step by step, the stairs rise like a wooden ladder turned into art. Soon, people will walk up and down these steps every day. Safety comes first. Everyone wears bright vests, hard helmets, gloves, and strong boots. They use signs and ropes to keep the area safe. Builders know that working safely means working smart. Inside the walls, electricians and plumbers get busy. They pull wires, connect outlets, and run water pipes through the walls and floors. These hidden systems make the house come alive. The heating and cooling team installs big metal ducts and vents. These will carry warm air in winter and cool air in summer. It is like the house's breathing system, keeping everyone comfortable. Soft insulation goes into the walls. It looks like pink, white, or yellow fluff, but it is super important. It keeps the house warm in winter and quiet all year long. Time for drywall. Large white boards cover the walls and ceilings, hiding all the wires and pipes. The rooms now look smooth and real, almost ready for paint. Painters and workers sand the walls until they are smooth as paper. They fill tiny holes and make sure everything is ready for color. The house is getting closer to being a home. The family visits to pick colors. They choose happy yellows, calm blues, and maybe a bright red front door. Soon, the painters will fill every wall with cheerful color. Now, the floors are installed. Some rooms get shiny wooden boards, others soft carpets, and the kitchen gets smooth tiles. Each room feels different under your feet. Electricians return to add lights and switches. Suddenly, the house glows. Lamps, ceiling lights, and chandeliers shine bright. The house feels warm and alive. In the kitchen and bathroom, things get exciting. Cabinets, shiny sinks, and bathtubs are put in. The smell of new wood and fresh paint fills the air. Now it is time for the little details. Builders add doors, shelves, trim, and handles. Every piece makes the house feel cozier and more complete. Everything is tested. The builders flip switches, run the faucets, and check outlets. The lights sparkle, the water flows, and everything works perfectly. The house is almost ready to meet its new family. Do you know what makes the outside of a house look pretty and stay dry? The siding. Builders carefully place long panels across the walls. Up on the roof, the roofers work carefully. They lay shiny shingles that overlap like fish scales to keep out rain and snow. Next, gutters and drains are added along the roof edges. When it rains, the water runs through these pipes and flows safely away from the house. The driveway and sidewalk are made smooth and strong with wet concrete. Builders spread and flatten it until it shines. The porch and steps come next. Builders measure and hammer to make the entrance strong and welcoming. Did you know houses can use sunlight for power? Shiny solar panels are placed on the roof to soak up the sun. The garden gets a special touch too. The builders plant flowers and bushes that do not need much water. When building is done, the crew gathers leftover wood, metal, and cardboard. They recycle and reuse what they can. Now it is time to make everything beautiful. The landscapers plant grass, trees, and bright flowers. The fence goes up, marking the family's special space. A shiny new mailbox stands at the edge of the yard, waiting for the first letter to arrive. The front door gets its final splash of color. The family picks their favorite shade, maybe bright blue or sunny yellow. The door shines like a smile saying, "Welcome home." House numbers and lights are added. The shiny numbers give the home its name, and the lights glow softly at night, so the family can always find their way. It is cleanup day. The builders sweep, pack their tools, and wave goodbye to their hard work. The house is ready and shining from roof to floor, waiting for its new family. Moving day has arrived. Big trucks roll up full of boxes, toys, and furniture. The family is so excited as helpers carry everything inside. The family steps into their home for the first time. Their pet runs ahead, wagging its tail. Every room smells new, and their laughter fills the air. Everyone celebrates. The builders stop by to see the finished home. There are smiles, balloons, and maybe even a small cake to say, "We did it together." The house stands tall and strong. The lights glow warmly as the sun sets behind it. Inside, the family cuddles together, making memories that will last a lifetime. Home, sweet home.